Hello, this is chapter 2 polynomials exercise first the remaining part, and in question number 6 as I told you it was wrong but it is correct when I matched it from new addition. So I am solving here. 2x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. Suppose this is polynomial px and this is linear polynomial. Suppose this is dx. So here if it is a factor then linear polynomial gx equal to 0. So write down solution. Gx is equal to 2x minus 3. This will be 0 and suppose this is equal to px. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we have to find the value at x is equal to 3 by 2 in the polynomial px. So p 3 by 2 is equal to, now substitute the value, 2 into 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 3 by 2 whole cube minus 8 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 plus 6. This is equal to 2 into 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8 into 9 upon 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 6. Now you will get 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, and here 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. Write down next step, 81 upon 8 plus 27 upon 8 minus 9 to the 18 minus 3 by 2 plus 6 is equal to, it should be 0. If it is a factor, 2x minus 3 is a factor, then we have to prove that this value will become 0. Now solve it. So you will get, add these two numbers 81 and 27, you will get 718 and 108 upon 8, and this becomes 18 minus and plus 6, you will get minus 12, and write down this fraction minus 3 by 2 before we will solve 18 minus 6, minus 18 plus 6, we will get minus 12. Now divide it, 108 and 8, cut it, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 5 10, 2 4 7 is 28. So this becomes 27 upon 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 12. Solve it, take LCM, this becomes 27 minus 3 minus 12 to the 24, you will get 24 and minus 24 and minus 3 becomes minus 27 plus 27, 27 minus 27 upon 12, 0 upon 12 is equal to 0, which we have to prove. So 2x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial px. Now come to the remaining part of the exercise. These are the remaining questions which we will solve in this video. This is question number 11. Find the value of a for which the polynomial this is divisible by x plus 3. And question number 12, 13, 14, all the questions we will solve in this video. in this question we have to calculate the value of a, and this polynomial is divisible by this linear polynomial. When it is divisible by linear polynomial gx, so remainder should be 0. This means pa is equal to 0, and from where we will get the value of a? When we substitute gx is equal to 0. So this polynomial we have to put 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to minus 3, and at this value we will get the remainder. Now substitute, we have to calculate p minus 3. P minus 3. This becomes, substitute this value in the expression. So minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 3, and x you have to put minus 3 to the 3 cube minus 11 minus 3 square minus 3 plus a. This will be equal to 0 because remainder should be 0. Now this becomes even power, so this will be positive, so you can write it 81, and here 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, minus 27 and minus plus 27. This becomes 3 3s are 9 plus 9 and minus 3 3s are 9, so this becomes minus 99, and minus plus 3 plus a is equal to 0. Now solve it. So you will get, add these numbers 7, 81, 27 and 330 and 81. You will get 111 and minus 99 plus a is equal to 0. Subtract it, you will get 12 plus a is equal to 0, or a is equal to minus 12. This is the answer. Now this is the question number 12. For what value of a the polynomial this is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1. So we will take 2x minus 1 as gx, and this is polynomial px. If it is divisible by this polynomial, so this linear polynomial is equal to 0. Substitute this is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to calculate the value at 1 by 2 in this polynomial. So p 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus a into 1 by 2 square plus 11 into 1 by 2 plus a plus 3 is equal to, solve it, 2 into 1 by 8 plus a into 1 by 4 plus 11 upon 2 plus a plus 3. Now this becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 upon 4 plus a upon 4 plus 11 upon 2 plus a plus 3. Now this is equal to take LCM. LCM will be 4. So 1 plus a plus 2 to the 4, or 11 to the 22 plus 4a plus 4 3s are 12. Now solve it. 4a plus a 5a. Add these numbers. 2 2 4 1 5 and 2 3 35 is equal to 5a plus 35 Now we have to calculate the value a, and it is a factor, so remainder should be 0, so this will be equate 0 in starting, or at last you can put 0. This becomes 5a is equal to minus 35, a is equal to 5 1 the 5, 5 7 the 35, minus 7. A is equal to minus 7. Answer. This is the question number 12. Now come to the question number 13. Find the values of a and b so that the polynomial this is exactly divisible by x minus 1 as well as x minus 2. So first we put this polynomial, linear polynomial, equal to 0, and we will get the value of x, and we will substitute this value in the expression. So you will get first equation, and similarly you will get second equation when you substitute the value of x in the given polynomial and solve two equations, then you will get the value of a and b. Now do it right now. This is a polynomial. These are two linear polynomials by which this is exactly divisible. So first we are taking gx is equal to x minus 1, putting this thing is equal to 0 as it divides it exactly. So remainder is 0. So x is equal to 1. Now find the value at p1 is equal to 1 cube minus 10 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b. This is equal to 1 minus 10 plus a plus b, and we have to put, because remainder 0, so this will be equal to 0. Now you will get the equation a plus b minus 9. A plus b, and you will get here minus 9 is equal to 0, or a plus b is equal to 9. This is equation first, and calculate the value from here p2, putting this is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value at 2. p2 is equal to, now substitute the value. So in this polynomial p2 is equal to 2 cube minus 10 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus p. 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 to the 4 10 the 4 minus, this is minus 40 plus 2a plus b. Equate this is equal to 0 because remainder is 0. Exactly divisible means no remainder is there, so you will put remainder is equal to 0. Now solve it. 2a plus b and subtract it. 2a plus b, and here you will get minus 32. Minus 32 is equal to 0. 2a plus b is equal to 32. This is equation second. Solve these two equations. A plus b on solving equation first and second. So a plus b is equal to 9 and 2a plus b is equal to 32. Now change the sign, minus minus minus, so cut, you will get minus a is equal to minus 12 minus 9. You will get 323 minus 23. So A is equal to 23. Minus and minus cancel out. Now substitute this value in equation first, putting the value of A in equation first. So A plus B is equal to 9, 23 plus B is equal to 9, or B is equal to 9 minus 23. 9 minus 23, you will get minus 14. Answer: A is equal to 23 and B is equal to minus 14. This is the answer. Come to the next question. This is question number 14. This is the polynomial x to the power 4 plus ax cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b, and it is exactly divisible by these linear polynomials gx and g dash x. So we have to calculate the value. When we substitute, this is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So first we have to calculate p at minus 2, exactly divisible, so it should be equal to 0. So p minus 2 is equal to, now we are solving here, and we will get two equations by substituting the values from these two polynomials. So this becomes minus 2 to the power of 4 plus a into minus 2 cube minus 7 into minus 2 square minus 8 into minus 2 plus b. 2 to the, this becomes positive, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8a, this becomes positive, 2 to the 4, 4 7 is the 28, minus 28, and minus minus plus a to the 16 plus b. This is equal to 0. Solve it. So you will get minus 8a plus b minus 8a plus b. Now solve these two. 16 plus 16, 32, 32 minus 28, 32, 28, 4. You will get plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation first. Now solve second equation, and I am doing here, till then you try. Now we have calculated the value p minus 3. G dash x is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3, p minus 3, putting the value x is equal to minus 3 in the polynomial and substitute this is equal to 0. So you will get the equation second. Now solve these two equations. Change the sign, plus, minus, plus, subtract. Now you will get 19, 27 minus 8. 19a is equal to, this becomes 38, or a is equal to 38 upon 19. 19 is the 19 twos are. So a is equal to 2. Now substitute this value, putting a is equal to 2 in equation first. So you will get minus 8 into 2 plus b is equal to minus 4, minus 16 plus b is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 4 plus 16, b is equal to 12. Answer: a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 12. Come to the next question. Now this is question number 15. Without actual division, show that this polynomial is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. So this is not given in the linear form, linear polynomial. So first we make it in linear polynomials. So how to get linear polynomial? By factorization of this gx. So 3 ones are 3 here, coefficient is 1, so 3 ones are 3. So we will factorize it. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, means 3x minus x is equal to 2x. Now x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So you will get common, x is common, x plus 3 minus common, x plus 3. So x plus 3, and here you will get x minus 1. So this becomes two linear polynomials. Now if this polynomial is exactly divisible by these polynomials, these are linear polynomials, and we have studied the remainder theorem for linear polynomials. So remainder will be 0. Now we have to calculate the value. First we substitute. If x plus 3 is equal to 0, so take this is gx, g dash x suppose is equal to x plus 3, or x is equal to minus 3, and g double dash x is equal to x minus 1. Substitute this is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Now we have to calculate the value p minus 3, and here p 1. So p minus 3 should be 0. So this is the polynomial. Minus 3 cube minus 3 into minus 3 square minus 13 into minus 3 plus 15. Solve it. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, minus 27, 3 3s are 9, plus 9 into 3. So 9 3s are 27. This becomes minus minus plus, 13 3s are 39, plus 15. So this becomes 7 7 14, 2 into 4 and 1 5, 54 minus, and 9 5 14 plus 54. You will get 0. So when you get remainder 0, it means this is exactly this polynomial is exactly divisible by the linear polynomial x plus 3, and check for the other polynomial. Check for the value at 1. This thing is equal to, put the value of 1 in this polynomial. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 13 into 1 plus 15. This becomes 1 minus 3 minus 13 plus 15, and you will get 13 minus minus 14, 15, 16 and 16, plus 16 minus 16, 0. So it means this polynomial divides the given polynomial exactly. We have to prove this much, not by actual division. Only we have to show remainder is 0. This is the question number 16. First you know the meaning of this question. If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 16, this polynomial, has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a and b. So we have to make two equations. And how to make equations? You will take this part. This polynomial has x minus 2 as a factor. If this is a factor, x minus 2 is a factor, then you will find the remainder. You will put the remainder is equal to 0 when you substitute the value x is equal to 2. So you will get the equation 1. Now come to the second second part, what is given, and leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. So we will use to make second equation by this part. When we will substitute the value x is equal to 3 and remainder is equal to 3. So how to solve? Watch the solution. Now solution of 16. This is the polynomial and x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So substitute this is equal to 0 and find the value p2, and this is equal to 0 because remainder is 0. So you will get the equation first. 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4, 4a plus 2b plus 6 is equal to 0. Now solve it. 4a plus 2b plus 14, 8 and 6, 14 is equal to 0. 4a plus 2b is equal to minus 14, equation first. Similarly, you will get the equation second. I am solving here, and as in this part, leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. So you will, as here you substitute 0, now in second equation you will put remainder is 3. So at 3 you will get the equation second. I am solving here, try yourself till then. Now second case, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So remainder is 3. At p3 is equal to 3. As in part first, p2 is equal to 0, remainder is 0 because x minus 2 is a factor, and here remainder is not 0, so it is 3. So p3 is equal to 3. Now put the value of x in the polynomial. So you will write like this. Now solve it. 9a plus 3b, 9a plus 3b, 27. This 3 will come to the left side. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and 27 plus 3 is equal to 30 is equal to 0. So you will get the second equation. 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 30, equation second. Solve the equation first and second. This is equation first. Now reduce when you take 2 common. So this becomes, divide equation by 2. So you will get 2a plus b is equal to minus 2 7 is 14. This is supposed to equation first. This is not. And here divide the equation by 3. So you will get 3a plus b is equal to 3 10s are 30 minus 10. This is equation second. Now solving equation first and second. 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. subtract minus minus plus cut minus a is equal to minus 3. 10 minus 7 plus 3, because positive number is 10. So minus a is equal to 3 or a is equal to minus 3. Now putting this value in the equation first, so you will get, here I am solving. In this 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. So 2a minus 3 plus b is equal to minus 7 minus 6 plus b is equal to minus 7. B is equal to minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. Answer: A is equal to minus 3 and B is equal to minus 1. So student, this is all the question, and new addition, the questions, more questions are there, but pattern are same and method are same. So don't worry that I only limited question is in the old edition book. In my coming videos you will see that the new edition books questions I will be solved. So students, learn the method. This is necessary, not the questions, that particular questions. Only learn the method from my videos, which is useful to you, not other things are matters. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.